Yo, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you how you can retouch a picture using AI for free without paying a dime, and you won't be needing your photographers to do this for you anymore. So let's get straight into it. I'm just going to use this guy to do my illustration. I want to pick this particular picture, but I need a high quality of this. So I'm just going to do this. I've shown you guys how to do this before in my previous video. So I'm just going to go to size and say I need large quality. And I'm just going to minimize this real quick and let me look for, yeah, I think this is one of my favorites of this picture. Nah, I don't think I would like that. Okay, let's use this one. I'm just gonna drag this out. So okay, let's quickly convert this into JPEG. I don't want to start having issues with what we're gonna do next. I say convert image. That's converted. I'm just gonna delete this other one and put this right here. Now, next is we're going to Chat GPT. You can use any other AI tool you have or you want to use. We need to get the prompt for this. I'm just going to switch here and get the prompt. You guys can just take a picture of this and make use of it, but I'm just going to put the prompt in the description of this particular video. Then we click on this plus icon to add photos or any file, but we're doing photos. So click on this and we say open. Before we send, we need to paste the prompt with it. So do it like this and it's finished loading. That's why you have this arrow button pointing up. You click on this. You have option to get free images to be worked on 3 in a day for the free version. It says you have the paid version of it. So let's give it some time for it to do its thing. So this is the prompt in case you guys want to read through the prompts. There's a prompt here. But like I said, I'm going to put in the description of this particular video on this YouTube or put it in the comment section also. Making the first draft. Let's see what's going to come up with. But this picture doesn't look bad though, but let's see what's going to come up with. See a little bit cleaner. So let's see. This is what it came up with after the edit. This was the previous one. Did a nice job, right? This compared to this. Side by side, let's look at it. Before, after. So can you guys really see that you don't need anybody to do this for you anymore? Smash the like button, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. My name is IMF Hope, and I'll say bye for now.